Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the frustrating Windows 11 audio not working or no audio devices installed error. And now let's get started. This error can be particularly troublesome because if the audio simply was not working, we would approach troubleshooting differently. However, when the system states that no audio devices are installed, it strongly indicates that your audio drivers are not being detected by Windows. To begin diagnosing this, search for Device Manager and open it. Within Device Manager, expand the relevant sections to check if your audio drivers are listed. A simple yet sometimes effective first step is to ensure your system is fully charged. Connect your charger, let your laptop charge completely, and then leave it plugged in for 2 to 3 hours before checking if the audio issue has resolved. If fully charging your device does not solve the problem, the next recommended solution is to reset your PC. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the System tab, then scroll down to Find and click on Recovery. You will then need to click on Reset PC. For this process, choose the option to remove everything, and then proceed with a cloud download to reinstall the Windows image on your system. Should even resetting your PC fail to resolve the no audio devices installed error, it may be time to consult a hardware technician, as the issue could potentially stem from a hardware fault. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.